it in either.
That's probably good. Write that out.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, come on up.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to rotate the... All right, come on. Hold on. I think we do have to wiggle the front end first to get it in because it's catching the rear. So we need to... Okay, we need to wriggle the front up higher and get that the front first. Yeah, it needs to come up several inches in order to get it past the block.
Just like in the...
A little bit more. I'm not sure if we can get it past the block. Okay, now go ahead and raise. Okay. I gotta push it forward too. Hold on. Okay, come on up.